If your Ram is one of these years, I have bad news for you today, unfortunately. Here are the 5 years. Year 1, 2014, the absolute worst. Year 2, 2016, transmission nightmare continues. Year 3, 2021, first year disaster. Year 4, 2011, nickel and dime forever. Year 5, 2023 early. This one shocks everyone, always, constantly, throughout. If you own one of these 5 years, here's exactly what you need to know right now, today, immediately, forever. Year number 1, 2014. This model year experienced multiple common issues. 3 catastrophic problems. Transmission valve body fails 70,000 miles. $3,000 repair cost minimum always required for repair work. TIPM electrical module randomly fails. Truck won't start. $1,500 fix required immediately. Lifter tick epidemic affects every 2014, eventually always. $2,000 if caught late completely. Total potential repairs. $6,500 minimum if all problems hit truck. My advice, sell it now while it still runs. Trade it in. Don't wait for catastrophic failure coming soon, inevitably. Fair private sale value, $15,000 to $18,000 if clean. Dealer will lowball you knowing these problems exist throughout ownership always. Year number 2, 2016. Better than 14 problems. ZF 8-speed transmission shudder. Starts 60,000 miles, gets progressively worse every mile driven throughout ownership period, always forever. No permanent fix exists. Fluid changes help temporarily, eventually needs torque converter replacement completely. Cost, $3,000, transmission work, inevitable. Year number 3, 2021. Recent year with first year, 5th generation bugs everywhere, constantly, throughout entire truck, always. Uconnect freezes constantly. Backup camera fails randomly. Wireless charging doesn't work properly. Airbag recall affects 70% of units produced. Parts back ordered, 6 months minimum wait. My advice, if under warranty still, trade it now. Get 22 or late 23. Year number 4, 2011. End of 3rd generation. They cut corners everywhere possible to save money on production. Front suspension wears out fast. Ball joints, tie rods fail 60,000 miles consistently. Dashboard cracks. Every single 2011 has this. Not catastrophic, but expensive nickel and dime repairs add up fast over time. Year number 5 shocks everyone. 2023 early. Wait, newest trucks? Yes, here's why. Hurricane engine catastrophic failures under 20,000 miles. Complete engine replacement needed immediately for free. Build quality issues, panel gaps, paint defects, electrical gremlins throughout truck. If early 23, verify build date before March problems. So you own one of these 5 years. What do you do now? Sell immediately or prepare financially for repairs? Bottom line, these 5 years cost you thousands in repairs. Sell while you still can now. Comment your year below today.